Hey guys, Matthew Nigro here. We're going to show you how to integrate your Clickfunnels and your Keap Pro. So if somebody submits this form, that'll actually go into your workflow inside Keap. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is create a web form inside Keap Pro that's going to be the same as this. All right, so we basically have to create a form that's going to copy this same form that's on your Clickfunnels. So we'll take the web form submitted, open it up. Okay, so we need to copy this, right? So we got name, email already. The next thing we need is the phone. All right, name, email, phone. Okay. Phone. And if it's required on here, you got to make it required on here too. Okay. And then we need a message. How do you do the other? Okay, tell us more about your health. Boom. Okay, so we have this completed. So what we're going to have to do is actually take this code, right? So the another thing we have to do first is actually go to the thank you page. Okay, so this is the page where they're going to fill out the thing. So I need to go to the thank you page and figure out what the link for this. So this doesn't look like this. It looks like a preview, but basically you would pull this link from this page and then you have to put it inside the thank you page. So if you use web address, then you would plug that, into there, basically, right? So when you click on the next page, or when it fills out this form, it's gonna actually go to Keap, and then the Keap is gonna redirect it to this page, the thank you page, right? Okay, so now we want to basically publish this. And you probably want to, drag it onto your sequence and whatever you're trying to do, right? So we'll just publish this. This is just for training purposes. So you need to publish it first so it actually exists. So let's go back, get the web form. And now we actually have to go inside this code. So we'll take this HTML code, and basically we have to take this code and take all the script out of it. So copy to clipboard, and we're going to open up a notepad, and we're going to paste that code into this. Okay. Now we're going to hit the find button, and we're going to look for script. So I'll go up and down and try to find where the script is. So obviously there's one right there. Right. So this whole script area, I'm just going to delete. So it's going to go. So I'll find where the next script is. That looks like the end of the script. And then that's where it starts up here. So it starts there and ends right there. That's gone. What else do we find? Got some scripts right here. Looks like it goes all the way up to here. So that's gone. So up and down, can't find any more. All right, perfect. So then we take this copy everything in that. Actually go back to this page. Click edit page. So we'll go to integrations, right? So this is where you could, create your Keap integration, and then you would see it there, but it doesn't work, right? So that's why we're doing this. So we're going to hit null HTML form, integrate existing form, and then we're going to just copy that or paste that code that we got from our notepad into here, parse and save web form. And now we have all the categories that will sync to here. So we need to go in here. It says first name, so first name, email, phone, experience, and then that's it. So you hit save, and then that integration is complete. And now whenever you fill out this form, we'll actually go into this web form right here and enter this sequence. Hope that helps. Thank you. And if you need any more help, you can go on my website and check out my other training courses. Thank you very much.